Hello, welcome to the East Brunswick Public Library. Did you know that April is Poetry Month? And we have a lot of poetry activities that you can use on our website. Today I'm going to read a few poems from a book called Cat Poems. Anybody who's ever had a cat as a pet or you know a cat will find these poems pretty funny. The first one is called Sleeper. I notice there's a lot of Z's on each of the illustrations. Do you know what that means? It means the cat is sleeping and snoring. She slouched on the couch. She sprawled in the hall. She curled in a ball on the stool by the wall. She snoozed on the shoes tucked under the bed, on the ironing board, and the sled in the shed, on the brink of the sink, on the edge of a ledge. She yawned on the lawn and crawled under the hedge, the very top stair, the living room chair. She doesn't care. She'll sleep anywhere. And in fact, if you look at the last illustration, what is it that the cat is sleeping in? Looks like a salad bowl for dinner. Oh my goodness. Cats are really well known for sleeping a lot and for the ability to pretty much sleep anywhere. Here's another poem called Stay Little Stray. The word stray usually means an animal that doesn't have a home. They typically live outside and they have to look for food on their own. Stay, little stray, don't go away. You look so hungry and thin. Don't be so shy. There's no need to cry. Don't be afraid to come in. Here is a dish. Eat as you wish. No need to forage and roam. I'm stroking your fur, hearing you purr. Tiger, you just found a home. I loved all of the rhyming words in that poem. And even though the poem was really short, I think it was pretty meaningful. It made me really feel that this person was caring for a stray animal and was inviting them to be their new pet. Why do you think the author called the cat a tiger on the last sentence? Take a look at the illustration and see if you can figure that out. Mind reader. My cat can't read a word. To think he could would be absurd. Yet every time I read a book, he scrambles up to take a look. He stops and flops on chapter 1. I'll never get my homework done. I tip my book. He thinks it's play. He won't get up and go away. So in the end, I let him win. I close my book and scratch his chin. I think I see a little smirk. He knew I didn't want to work. My cat can't read, although I find he does know how to read my mind. Do you know what a smirk is? It's not quite a smile. It's a little like naughty, kind of a semi-smile that sometimes people put on their faces. And why do you think the author says, even though the cat can't read, he is a mind reader? See if you can figure that out. I'm just going to skip ahead to one more called Trapped. I can't get up. There's a cat on my lap. What a terrible time he picked for a nap. I can't get up. Ugh, no dinner for me. I can't play games or watch TV. I can't get up. No school in the morning. My cat dozed off without any warning. I can't get up, and I don't dare speak. I may be here the rest of the week. Really funny. I love the exclamation points. Anybody who's ever had a pet, like a cat at home, will understand that once they lay on you, it's very hard at times to get them off. And sometimes you do really feel trapped. I don't know if you'd be trapped for an entire week, but sometimes it feels like that. Please take a look at the activities listed on our website. If you're interested in trying a haiku poem, an acrostic poem, or even completing a couple of poetry starters, they're there for you to look at. Remember, April is Poetry Month. Have fun.